We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC J450. And the problem we've been having is whenever we're making some copies or scans, we're getting lines and blemishes on our pages. That's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So today we're going to show you how to get that cleaned up and taken care of. The first thing I want to do is go and open up the top of the scanner. And you'll notice there's actually two separate pieces of glass. You have your large flatbed scanner for doing your face down copies, and there's a small strip of glass on this left side of the printer. And what that small strip of glass is whenever you're using this top document feeder to make your copies or scans, all that scanning and copying is being done on this small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. So that'll help you troubleshoot which piece of glass you need to focus most of your cleaning on, depending on when you're noticing the blemishes occurring. When you're using the top document feeder or when you're doing the face down copies. Again, that'll tell you which piece of glass you really want to focus most of your cleaning on. Once you figure that out, in order to clean it, you want to have a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have something like glass cleaner, you can use something like rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And other than that, the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply the cleaner directly to the glass on the printer. If you do that, you run a high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass. Then you can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply the cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass on the printer. Once you do that, all we're going to do is just go ahead and wipe down the glass on the printer. I'm going to go ahead and clean both pieces today just to make sure that everything's good. So you're just going to give everything a good wipe down, making sure to get rid of any fingerprints, dust, tape, ink buildup, whiteout buildup, anything like that is really common to find on the scanner glass. Just keep in mind some of those things like ink or whiteout can be a little more difficult to get off. You have to go over them a few more times to get everything taken care of. But once you're happy with the way everything looks, give it one more final inspection. Make sure you don't see anything on the glass. Once you're happy with everything, I would recommend doing a couple of extra test copies or test scans. And since we cleaned both pieces of glass, I would actually try it from both sides. So do a couple face down copies. Make sure you're happy with the way all those come out. And I would also run a couple sheets through the top document feeder. And make sure you're happy with all those copies and scans as well. If you are, then you're good to go. If you're still getting some faint lines or some faint blemishes, and there's still probably something on that scanner glass that's just a little harder to see, go ahead and repeat that cleaning process one more time, and that should take care of it. Other than that, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx, and we'll be glad to try to help you out with that. And I hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.